There has been a small partner ask about Windows how to update drivers. Don't worry, the 6 is here to teach today. First, we right-click on Windows, open the Device Manager. Second, find the Network Adapter options. Open the type you want to modify. Click the right mouse button to enter the Properties option. Then click on Drivers. Click the Update Driver option if you want to update the driver. Then choose to search for drivers automatically or manually. The next step is installation. Click Close. If you want to roll back the driver, click the Rollback Driver option. Then select the reason for the rollback. Click Yes to save. Next, how does Windows disable update drivers? First, we click the right mouse button to open the Display Settings page. Then click Advanced Options in Windows Update. You can adjust the time in use period. Note that the time adjusted here is not to restart the computer during this time period. Select Manual Mode. You can adjust the time slot. Once adjusted, you can turn on both options. Easy to get the latest update notification. Finally, click Close to save. Have you learned?